mug 1, you need to write you're either going to do hot as your temperature. Mug 2, you're going to do warm. So go ahead and do that right now, and I'm going to go ahead and do it myself. I'm going to mark it up. And so my first one's going to be hot.
You need to click.
Okay, you do that.
Okay. Click text box.
Text box, there it is. Okay, so go ahead and write hot.
And then this one will be
warm. Okay. Does anyone here have a thermometer? Oh, all right. Some of you do. All right. I see a couple. Oh, cool. Some of you do. Okay. So that's going to be even more neat for you guys because you're going to be able to give me the temperature of your hot water and then temperature of your warm water. What I want you to do is when you do pour it in the cup, I want you to go ahead and take that temperature right there. Okay. So did everyone went ahead and write their hot and warm? Okay, all right, very good. Let me see. Okay, good. Now we're looking at the amount of time it's going to take to dissolve it. But I want to do a hypothesis, and I know it's not on here, but I want to hear your opinion on this. Who here thinks that the marshmallows are going to dissolve quicker in the warm water? And you can unmute yourself to let me know. Who here thinks that it's going to be faster, the marshmallows are going to dissolve faster in warm water? How about, okay, we got one. Okay, how about hot water? Who here thinks it's going to dissolve faster in hot water? All right, thank you, Mia. Aiden, I love it. I love that you guys are participating. Thank you, Cora. Very good. I think I'm gonna go with maybe, what do you think?
I'm thinking hot because a warmer energy may dissolve a sugar because the marshmallow is practically sugar.
Okay, so what you're saying is that maybe with the thermal energy being so hot, what you were mentioning about the molecules, they were dissolving? Maybe. So like I said, it's not on the sheet of paper, but I thought it would be neat to actually think about that. So let's see if our evidence does claim our hypothesis to be true. All right, so let's go ahead. Now, let's go ahead and put our warm water and our hot water in your mug. Please have an adult assist you with this, okay? Because the hot water can't burn you, and you don't want to do that. And also, once you do have your waters in your mug, go ahead and give me a thumbs up from the. I'm going to stop sharing this for a minute so you can see me. I'm going to pin myself there, that way you can see me. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and pour these. So I'm going to pour this one with my hot water. And as you see, I'm not even letting Madison do that either because it can get a little tricky. And then now I'm pouring from my sink faucet. I'm pouring warm water. So I definitely have my warm water, and now I have my hot water. All right, give me a thumbs up if you're ready to go to the next step. Okay, I see another thumbs up. Mia, who else? All right, okay. All right, Meadow, thank you, and Abby. Awesome. Okay, so then let's go ahead and grab our 2 packets. And then now we're gonna go ahead and put the cocoa powder inside the water. So go ahead and do that right now. Okay, very good. And so now I want you to go ahead and mix it with your spoon. Now, one of the things I want you to do while you're doing this is that I want you to actually take notice how long it takes to mix the powder in the hot water versus the warm water. So right now, I wish I had like an effect where you could actually see it from up here, but I'm going to take a picture because right now I can already show you how it's looking on my side. So let me go ahead and airdrop it to myself. And so, like I said, right now I want you to go ahead and take notice how long it took to mix the powder in hot water versus warm water. And I'm gonna go ahead and share my screen so we can see, so you can see my too. All right, so we're taking a look at this right here. Do you guys see the screen? This is my hot water and this is my warm water. Oh my God, what's happening here? Is this happening to yours? And you guys can unmute yourselves if you want to answer. So who here, their hot cocos look like mine? Okay, I see Ms. Baca's children. Okay, Aiden, all right, thank you. Now that we're looking at this, let's discuss this. Which one do you think there's more thermal energy going on? Is it my hot water or is it my warm water? Aiden?
Hot water?
Hot water. Good job, Owen and Ella. Thank you, Aiden. Yes, it is definitely your hot water. So these are the molecules that they're talking about right here. And the ions that they're talking about that are colliding with each other. And this is causing the thermal energy. And it's causing your hot cocoa powder to dissolve even smaller than what they already are. Oh my goodness. I just got my shirt dirty. Give me a minute, guys.
You just spilled too.
I know. Okay, we're not done with our science project, even though right now I like the fact that we are able to see which one already has more thermal energy. All right, so the next thing we need to do is add a small marshmallow to each mug, and then I want you to go ahead and start your timer, but I'll start the timer for us, okay? So just put one marshmallow in each mug, and we're going to see how long it takes. And if you want, you can go ahead and time yourself. You could use the stopwatch from your phone, which is what I'm going to do. All right, go ahead, Madison. Put the marshmallows in. You can leave the spoons there, yeah. Go ahead.
Set, go.
All right, so let's see how long it takes for it to dissolve.
Are they allowed to stir it?
Yes, stir. You're allowed to stir.
Now already, what can you tell? Because I can already tell on mine which one is becoming smaller. Yes. Has anyone's marshmallow completely dissolved? Okay, when that does happen, let me know. I'd be curious. Gael, it already happened for you? No, okay, keep on stirring.
I don't see any action here.
Are you making an observation, Madison?
Yeah.
And what is the observation so far?
My observation is that right now for the warm water, there's no progress in it really dissolving, but in the in the hot water, it's almost dissolved.
Mine is almost dissolved. How about you guys in the hot water? Okay, we're at 1 minute and 45 seconds, so keep on. All right, Mia, you got yours? Aiden, you got yours? Good job, guys. So go ahead and, okay, keep on stirring, Madison, because I think mine's coming up pretty soon too. All right, so now here, do you guys see my screen with the sheet? I see Meadow or Abby enjoying the hot cocoa. That's so cute. I like that. Yes, enjoy the hot cocoa while you're doing the experiment. Great idea. Yes, Dylan, great idea.
Done.
All right, so I am done. So ours took 2 minutes and 20 seconds, and that is in the hot water. So what I would do here is I would go ahead and, I can't mark up.
And in warm water, it is not dissolving at all. It hasn't really made any progress.
Okay, how do I mark up?
Me too. Okay, it goes here in like
Okay, I got it.
Text box.
Okay, text box. So I'm going to go ahead and put that it took 2 minutes and 20 seconds. So I'm gonna move this up here, and you can write this in. I'm just doing it so I can show you guys here. And then my warm water, oh my God, it's not doing anything.
Look, let me show.
Go ahead and show everyone, Madison, what's happening with our warm water.
Can you move it so I can see?
Yes.
Look.
Can you guys see it?
Fully there.
It's completely there. How about you guys? How about you unmute yourselves and tell me what's going on with your experiment?
It's not really melting for the warm water. Oh, it's not very hot enough.
It's not very hot enough. Very good, Owen. Or Ella, you what you need to is what's happening is that on the warm water, like we were mentioning earlier, it does not have enough thermal energy. Who here has our, oh, thanks Meadow and Abby for showing me. Wow, you see, yeah, it's almost completely gone. How's it going, Cora? Good?
It's going good.
Okay, which one's melting best for you?
In the hot water.
Hot water, yeah. Very good. So right now, our hypothesis is being proven correct. We have evidence already that's showing that yes, a marshmallow will dissolve quicker in hot water than in warm water. Very good. Now, while we wait for our warm water to dissolve the marshmallow, then now let's go ahead and look at our observation. And so what I want you to do for your observation is to actually draw your 2 mugs, okay? So let's see how that's gonna happen. Let me go ahead and show you. Yes, I know, but I'm trying to, here, let me draw real quick.
I can draw it.
Huh?
I can draw.
Okay, quickly. So Madison's gonna go ahead and draw. And what I want you to do right now is to go ahead and fill in this part. Let me show you again. I want you to go ahead and fill in this part of your observation, which is right here in the middle. And I want you to draw 2 mugs. So go ahead and do that right now. Go ahead and start drawing your 2 mugs. And you're gonna draw your hot mug and you're gonna draw your warm mug. Right now I have Madison working on it, and that way we can go ahead and see an example, and hopefully some of you will want to show your example. Oh, okay, but I want you to go ahead and draw the fast one.
here's the cocoa.
Okay, so put mug 1 here.
Aiden, good job. Where's your hot, which one's your hot one and your warm one?
Okay, very good.
So
Okay.
we like labels them?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, I love that you use that vocabulary word, Aiden. Label. Yes, that's exactly what you're doing. Very good job. Label.
Here's the example.
Okay, so Madison, oh, let me take a picture. She's working on it. I'm still timing my marshmallow and it still hasn't dissolved and we're already at 7 minutes.
It's getting, I see it's a
It's getting a little bit, yes.
but it's not really dissolving.
Okay, let me go ahead and airdrop this picture. Okay, let me go ahead and show you. Oh, thanks, Owen. Okay, in a minute, Owen, I'll pin you, okay? Hold on, guys. I want to pin everyone so you can go ahead and see it. I want to see everyone's work. Let me show you Madison's just so in case you need an example, you can go ahead and see the example. So here's Madison's. So those of you that are needing an example, here it is. We have mug 1. She's showing that it's dissolving faster. And then you have warm mug 2. Notice a difference here. Let's see if you notice the difference. What's the difference here? She has what here versus here? Who wants to tell me? What did she leave here in mug 2 in her warm water? She left what?
A marshmallow?
Very good. Yes, a marshmallow because it's still floating. Here, there's no marshmallow at all. All right, I'm going to go ahead and start pinning you guys. Show me. Okay, hold on, Cora. I'm going to pin you so everyone can see it. How do I pin?
You click.
Replace pin. There you go. All right, there you go. Do you see it now, everyone? All right, good job. Okay, thank you, Cora. Now I'm going to show who's ready to show theirs. Dylan. Okay, let me go ahead and pin Dylan. We've got 2 participants here. Oh, very nice, guys. And you filled in your graph. Very good. I should say your table. Yes, you filled in your table. Very good. And then now your observation. Good job. Who wants to show Xavier? All right, Xavier, let's go ahead and see yours. Oh, very nice. Star Wars, I like that he decorated it. Very good. Thank you. Okay, Avery, let me go ahead and pin you. All right, 2 participants here. So nothing. Oh my God, I like that. You labeled it nothing. Nothing happened. Exactly. Good job. Who's next? Who wants to show theirs? Aiden, let me go ahead and pin you, Aiden. Oh, yes, yes, Aiden. Very good. Oh, you left the marshmallow in the warm one. Very good. And you showed that this one was hot because it's steaming. All right, Mia, let me go ahead and show you. Oh, Mia, very nice. Let me see it. Took a long time to melt. Very good. Marshmallow melted. Good job. I like that. Very nice. You put your time, 2:02 in the hot. Very good. All right. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and see Miss Baca. Oh, good job, guys. Whoa, your warm actually dissolved at 4:29?
Sort of, but then it might have gotten eaten at 4:29. So
We'll take that. We'll
yeah,
take
it was getting there.
We'll take that. Very good. Who else needs to show me theirs? Owen, let me see it. Good job. Look at that. Thank you. Even you didn't have the sheet. Thank you. Good job, Owen and Ella, both of you. Who else? Meadow and Avery, are you ready to show us? Abby, sorry. Meadow and Abby? Okay, show us. Where's your sheet? Oh my God, this is so cool. You guys did it together? Look at that. Look at everyone doing a science experiment. Very nice. Gayet, are you ready? And I like that everyone's enjoying their hot cocoa while we're doing this. Let's see, Gael. Oh, very nice. And I see that you have your table too. Good job. And you wrote it out. Good job. Did I miss anyone else that wants to share? All right, very good. So let's go to our conclusion. Now we're going to fill out our conclusion. So what do you think is going to be our conclusion here? So now we need to do a conclusion here.
It hasn't dissolved as I told you.
Yeah, our marshmallow still hasn't dissolved.
Can I eat it?
Yes, you may eat it. Okay, so let's go ahead and who wants to give a conclusion? And a conclusion is coming, we're bringing it all together. What we did, what we observed, our evidence, were we able to answer our question? And that's what we would put in our conclusion. Who wants to go ahead and tell me their conclusion? Oh, Meadow. Okay, very good. Meadow and Abby, go ahead. I'm going to pin you and unmute yourself so you guys can give us your conclusion. You need to unmute yourself. Okay. All right, Madison, do you have a conclusion for us?
Yes.
All right, let's go ahead and hear Madison's conclusion. Let me pin us. Go ahead.
Well, my conclusion is that the hot water dissolves the marshmallow faster. So the temperature of the hot cocoa does matter in how quickly the marshmallow will dissolve.
Very good. Thank you. And I see that Eli and Edgar also want to tell us their summary. Go ahead, guys. Let me pin you. Go ahead. Tell us, guys.
We think that we should use the hot water instead of the cold water for your hot cocoa because the hot water dissolved our marshmallows and the cold one did not.
Correct. And because the hot water has more thermal energy. And boys, I miss you guys in student councils. I know you couldn't for a little bit, but join me, okay? We're gonna have a meeting tomorrow. Sorry, I had to throw that in. I miss you guys. Glad that you were able to join us today. Anyone else? All right. Aiden, go ahead. Let me go ahead and pin you.
My conclusion is the more thermal heat there is, the faster the product will dissolve, melt.
Beautiful. Excellent. Yes. Good job. Excellent. Yes. Good job. All right. Well, there is, so what we did is we did day 1. And there is an activity for day 2 and an activity for day 3. Those are activities that you can go ahead and do at home. They give you websites, extensions that you can do because with every project and assignment, there's always an extension, something more that you can do with it. And so we have, let me go to replace myself. So we just did our experiment. Who here enjoyed it? I did. I know I did. Did you, Madison?
Yes, I did too.
Oh, I did. Let me, hold on, guys. Let me, if I do that, Madison, am I seeing everybody?
Yes.
Yes, Ms. Baca. Did you guys have your hand raised?
Oh. No, I think they were just saying they enjoyed it.
Okay, good. What I am gonna do, if you guys are okay with it, I wanna take a picture, okay? So on 3, I'm gonna want a nice smile, okay? Gonzalez's boys, let's come in. Okay, let's go ahead and take our picture. Edgar and Eli. There, thank you. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and take a picture. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Thank you. Good job. Okay. Well, then, does anyone have any questions? Well, I'm glad. Thank you. Oh, Meadow and Abby. Yes. What is your question?
My sister had a question to tell you. Basically, the hot is more quicker, and that's what makes it so choose because I don't really like hot. If it gets too hot, I like hot. It was
Very good. Yes, I like it hot too. Yes, good job. Thank you for that conclusion. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for a wonderful night, and I'm so glad we were able to do this. Hopefully, we can have another one before the school year ends. Do you have anything to say, Ms. Baca?
Just that there is the evaluation. If parents, you can fill that out for us. Ask your kiddos if they liked it. We just want some feedback. So I did post that in the chat. Just click on it. But we really appreciate you joining us tonight. And I appreciate Ms. Manzanares and her amazing assistant helping us and everyone being on. So thank you guys so much.
Yes, thank you, Ms. Manzanares.
Good job, everybody.
Awesome
Good job.
activity. Thank you, Ms. Manzanares. Thank you, Ms. Valles and Ms. Baca as well.
Yes. Thank you, ladies, for putting it together. And everyone have a good evening, okay? Bye. Addison, say bye.
Can you
Bye.
please send PTA the login for the student council meeting tomorrow?
Stop trying, bye.
Who's talking?